Open the front trunk. Use a pry bar to lift the trim panel. Remove the trim panel. Remove the screws. Disassemble the button panel. Unplug the button connector. Remove the front storage box. Remove the hydraulic strut. Remove the vehicle's ball joint. Install the bracket. Tighten the screws. Remove the left hydraulic strut. Remove the vehicle's ball joint. Install the bracket. Install the left electric strut with the wired end facing down. Ensure the strut is securely clipped into place. Install the right electric strut with the wired end facing down. Remove the original lock mechanism. Unplug the lock mechanism connector. Install the electric lock mechanism. Remove the original lock mechanism's torsion spring. Install the latch hook. Reinstall the original torsion spring. Reinstall the lock mechanism and center it with the original screws. Connect the wiring harness. Connect the D8 harness to the lock mechanism adapter. Connect the D7 plug to the lock mechanism microswitch plug. Unplug the unlock actuator connector. Use the D6 harness adapter to connect. Plug in the electric lock connector. Secure and fasten with a cable tie. Remove the small cover plate at the towing hook position. Pull the emergency pull cable of the electric lock through the towing hook hole. Secure and fasten with a cable tie. Reinstall the small cover plate. Connect the harness ground wire to the chassis. Remove the cover from the positive power supply terminal. Connect the power extractor. Secure with the provided nut. Tighten the nut with a tool. Connect the positive power wire to the power extractor. Plug in the buzzer. Plug in the electric strut harness connector. Insert the main harness into the control box. Place the control box and secure it with a cable tie. Organize the harness to follow the original vehicle harness path and secure it. Installation completed. Begin reassembly. Reinsert the original vehicle button. Finish. Control the system via the original vehicle's screen to open. Control the system via the original vehicle's screen to close.